Hello.
Huh?
Look.
Oh! Wow! Huh?
Look.
Ah!
I'm Sally.
And I'm Possum.
Hello.
Oh, hello everyone. Good morning. Oh, today is a very special day because we're making pancakes. I'm so excited. Sally makes the most delicious pancakes ever. But unfortunately, we don't get to have them every day. Ah well. And you know what? Sally's not making the pancakes today. I am. I've been watching Sally and now I know how to make pancakes myself. Right, I know to start off I need a mixture. Then I pour that mixture out and then comes my favourite part. The flipping! Yes! But sometimes I see Sally using a special thing to turn the pancakes. Right, before I go in, I need to practice flipping. I know. This one. There. That one. And this one goes there.
Oh, good morning, everyone. I wonder what Possum's up to. He's got his cricket bat, but he's got my cushions out here too. I don't think he's going to be playing cricket. Usually he has his ball tied to a string off the tree. Hi, Possum.
Hi, Sally.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am.
What are you doing, Possum?
Well, today is a very special day. I need to practice.
Are you going to play cricket?
No,
Oh, well, what are you doing?
I'm making pancakes. I need to practice flipping them.
Oh, I know you would love to flip those pancakes.
Yeah, watch this. Up,
Oh, you're very good.
up,
Oh, wow.
up.
Possum, if that was a real pancake, do you know what would have happened? You would have flipped it so high that it would have flipped on the ground.
Ah. Oh, Sally, watch me. Watching?
Oh, you're funny. Pancakes aren't big and round. They're flat.
Oh, Sally, watch this. Watching? Huh? Ah.
Oh, you're funny.
Come on, Sally. That way. Huh?
Oh.
Huh?
Oh. Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
You are just like a big pancake, aren't you, Possum?
Yep.
Well, why don't we tidy up here, go inside the kitchen and actually make some real pancakes?
Yeah. Let's go. Ready?
Have we remembered everything we need, Possum?
Yep.
Great, but there's one more thing. Can you remember every time we've made something, There's something we do beforehand.
I know. Wash my hands.
That's right.
Okay, Sally, it's very important to wash your hands before you cook to make sure they're nice and clean.
Yes, you're right, Possum. We've got everything ready. But before we do anything, why don't we watch children making some pikelets? They look just like pancakes. Let's watch.
Yeah, let's watch. Oh, that looked great.
Oh, they were delicious.
All those little pikelets and the fruit and healthy toppings, they looked so delicious.
Oh, yes. Are we going to make some?
Oh, yes, I want to make them. Can I flip them too?
Oh, yes. We have to get the recipe out.
Okay.
What else do we need, Possum?
Oh, I know, Sally. Hold on.
I wonder where he's going.
Ha!
Oh, you look lovely. Now you're ready to be a cook. You look like a chef. Are you ready?
Yes. All right, let's put it all in now.
Oh, no, Possum. We can't just throw it all in together. It might not taste very good. It might ruin it. We need to follow the recipe and follow the instructions step by step so we know how much of each thing to put in there, okay?
Okay.
Right. What does the recipe say first? We need 3 eggs. Right. What's next?
Oh, I know. The milk and the flour. Put it all in.
No, not just yet. Possum, we need to measure and see how much milk we need. We need the jug, the measuring jug. We need 250 mils.
Where is it?
There. Just a bit more. Ah, we need the flour. I've got the flour here. We need 125 grams. Okay?
Okay.
Now we need to mix it together into a nice liquid mixture.
Is it done?
Yes, it looks ready, Possum. Let's go to the stove. Let's go.
Okay. Ooh.
Now be very careful. It's very hot, okay?
Okay.
And only hold it by the handle. Don't touch the pan.
Got it.
That could be hot enough. I'm not sure. I'll get some water on it to test. You see how it's sizzling?
Ah. Yeah, I see it.
That means it's hot enough. We need some butter.
Great. Wow. Oh, a little more, Sally.
Can you see it bubbling? The underside is starting to cook.
Ah.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
Now I'll turn it.
Okay. Oh, Sally, are you going to flip it?
Oh, not yet, Possum. We need to turn it over first.
Okay. Ha ha! Looks great.
Now we need to let the underside go brown too.
Okay.
Now, what are we going to do?
Can I flip it?
We're going to flip it.
Oh, can I?
No, I'll go first. I'll show you how it's done.
Okay.
All right. All right. You ready?
Yay!
Now it's your turn.
Okay. Oh.
Ready?
Huh.
Try again.
Huh.
You need to do it harder than that.
Okay. Huh?
Oh. Oh.
It's gone.
Oh, it's stuck to the ceiling, Possum.
Sally, can I have another go?
Yes. Try another one.
Okay, one more. Huh?
Oh.
Oh. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah, yay!
Woohoo!
Yes!
Yes.
I did it, finally!
Oh, yes.
Yes!
Hooray. Woo. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, you are getting so much better at this.
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh, it looks great. Should we eat it?
Oh, yes, please. Oh, yum, 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 yum.
These are delicious.
They are delicious, Sally. And they taste even better because I made them.
You're right, Possum. But when we have finished eating, do you know what we need to do?
What's that?
We need to get rid of all of the pancakes in the kitchen. They need to be cleaned up.
Oh, I am sorry, Sally.
It doesn't matter, Possum. Well, our time is up.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Huh?
Huh?
Huh? Bye!
Bye. Oh, that's funny. Oh, Possum.